Look at that.
See how easy it goes? Just amazing. Look how soft it is. If this doesn't leak, then the sauce is ready.
Hello everyone, this is Koko's channel, and today I will show you how to cook very tender tongue, beef tongue. This is what I have. Look at this beauty. Just look at that. You see that? Oh, this looks epic. Just look at that. It's one beautiful piece of a tongue. I will tell you two things how to make very tender beef tongue. First thing, we're not gonna use salt, and instead of salt, we're gonna be using the favorite Norse stock pot, which I have right here. So these are the chicken stock pot. It could be beef stock pot, but well, I bought the chicken one. You can use beef stock pot. It has all the seasoning in it, so it's great. It's dedicated to Marco Pierre White. In the glory of Marco Pierre White, we're gonna use chicken stock pots instead of salt. Salt will make tongue tougher, and the stock pots, the Norse stock pots, they have everything they need inside. What do we need to cook really nice tongue? First of all, we need a big casserole, something like this big. So this tongue is approximately 2 kilos, and we will need around say 5 liters of water. First thing is the casserole. Second thing, we will need some time. Now, to cook a perfect tongue, we will need to simmer it from 2 to 4 hours. And I usually take the average of 3 hours, and it's amazing. Third thing we should know about cooking a tongue after it's been simmered for 3 hours, we need to set it aside and put it in a cold bath for a couple of minutes. It's the easiest way to clean the tongue. While this is cooking, I propose to make some mushroom sauce, creamy mushroom sauce. And now for the mushroom sauce, we will need mushrooms, cream, because it's mushrooms creamy sauce. I want to make it a bit more complicated, so we will use some leek. Leek is the thing like that. And I'm gonna add some gin. Now, if you don't have leek and gin, just use normal onion and don't use gin. And that's about it. And we're gonna use some salt and pepper. So, I think we should start cooking. Now here I have 6 liters of water. 6 liters of water should be enough for approximately 2 kilograms tongue. Now let's put some Norse stock pots. I use chicken ones, as I said before, because I don't have any beef stock pots. Beef would do, even vegetables would do. It's great. So I'm putting it in the cold water. Oh, look at this. We wait until it starts simmering, then we close the lid, and I see you again in 3 hours. With the miracle of time, 3 hours has passed. Ooh la la, we've got this beauty. So now we need to cool it down, then make some mushroom cream sauce with it. It will go amazing together. How to cool down the tongue? As I said before, we need to put it in a bath, but I'll show you how to do it easier and faster. We go to the sink, take our beautiful tongue, put cold water on. Bye bye. And we put our tongue straight under cold water. We'll leave it for a couple of minutes. We'll take it out and leave it aside. Time to make some sauce. First we put some olive oil in. Ready, piping hot. Then we put leeks in. And if you don't have leeks, just use onions. I'm just showing off. Now we put mushrooms in. Let's add a bit of gin. This is optional. And setting my camera on fire. 35% cream, and yeah, just use 250. Let's take our lovely tongue out. This is how it looks now. Take a small knife, and we have to take out the skin. Oh, maybe we don't even need a knife. Look, it goes out easily now. You see? Oh, no.
See how easy it goes? Just amazing. Just look at that. Perfectly clean tongue. It's amazing. Let's take a bigger knife. Let's cut it, just check. It's ready. My god, it's so soft. Great source of protein. Just look at that. Good or what? Just look at that. Look how soft it is.
Now, just a little touch from me. Quite a bit of capers and gherkins. With tongue, it's just amazing. Quite a bit of pepper. In order to check if our sauce is ready, we can do the following thing. So we dip in the spoon or the spatula like I do. Then do the line with the finger. And if it doesn't leak, then the sauce is ready. Time to serve. Oh yes. Now it's time to taste. Now this is what we have in the end. Let's have a little taste, a little bite. It's great. It's really great. What can I say about it? First of all, mushroom cream sauce. It's a classic that I put some show off on it, but it's one of those things that if you know how to make, it's very easy to make and it never goes wrong. Second of all, beef tongue is very soft meat and it takes only 3 hours to cook it. You can go up to 4 hours, but 3 hours is just enough. This piece of meat is very cheap. It's a very cheap beef cut, probably on the level of beef chicks. Well, depends where you live. And third thing, it's a very big piece of meat, so you will have leftovers and you can use leftovers in other recipes. For example, I cooked meat with the Asian classics. You can see the recipe right here. And I just used two sauces, which is the teriyaki sauce and the oyster sauce, and the tongue with that and some veggies. You can make it superfood with that. And in fact, I'll make it on the next day and I'll put a little video.
Oh yeah. On the next day, it's mixed with some green veggies. I have kale and spinach, a bit of pepper and onion, and you have another amazing dish.
Anyway, thanks for watching me. If you have something to add, leave it in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you like this video, hit the dislike button if you didn't like this video, and well, cook some beef tongue. It's really, if you never tried beef tongue, it's your time to try it. And you can find it in most of the big grocery stores. Thank you very much for watching me. Thank you and goodbye. Oh yes.